Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets were fine away.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm Abby, and this is my sister Nathania. Welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow, the 18th, my sister will be turning 9 years old. So she wanted to film a quick video in which she does my makeup. So if you would like to see that, then stick around and keep watching. Go like this. Okay, so first of all, I gotta take off my makeup, but disclaimer, I'm having major allergic reactions right now, so my eyes look really nasty. But I brought foundation. Okay. Here's my powder. Here's my highlighter, blush, bronzer. Here are my brushes. Ew, my voice sounds so gross because I just woke up. Okay, here's all my brushes. And then, you don't really need to use this one, but you can if you want. So here are all the brushes. My mascara, brows, lipsticks, primer, concealer, more lipstick. So we're gonna be using the Urban Decay NYC palette. So that's the only one I got. And then, do you wanna wipe my makeup off or should I?
You.
Me? Okay.
I'm not really.
Okay, I'm gonna readjust my hair. Okay, face has been, for the most part, I took most of it off. Oh, no, I didn't. Well, I mean, honestly, ew. Hold up.
You smeared it.
We're gonna use this because I can't see anything.
Yeah. No.
Okay, is that pretty good?
No, there's something pretty good.
Well, you're gonna cover most of it up with more
You
makeup.
got it.
Okay,
I'll do foundation.
foundation first. Okay, shake it up a little bit. There you go. You wanna use your hand or my hand?
Your hand.
Okay,
How many squirts?
as many as you want. They can't even see. 2 squirts?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 squirts of what foundation?
Fenty Beauty.
Dang, what a YouTuber. What a beauty guru.
So I'm gonna use this
Makeup Forever
Makeup Forever
concealer.
concealer. And then like on your forehead or what? I have no idea where to put it.
Okay, yeah. You're done? So now what do you want to do?
The eyeshadow.
Okay, you don't want to bake my face first?
Yeah.
You want to bake it first? Okay, so you're gonna get a little messy because this is kind of messy.
I'm trying to down.
You want to tell them what you're using?
Yes.
Okay, what are you using?
Another Fenty Beauty.
Yeah, and it's the color Banana.
Banana.
It's the Pro Filter powder. There we go, so we did these already. What do you want to do now? Eyeshadow is what you said, right?
Let me see.
Looks good. Okay.
So how do I put it?
Yeah, you're gonna put it down.
This one. So do you get this side for that side and this side for that side?
This is a smudger. So it's usually when you put eyeliner on and then you can go and smudge it.
Oh, and then this is for like this part.
What?
Like to put it right here.
If you want it for that part, you can make it for that part. It's whatever you want, babe.
I'll use, I don't know if I should use that one. That one.
I have some these highlights too that you could use on the eye.
I'll see if I like one of them. Yeah, I think I'll use this one.
Okay,
Second.
it's up to you. So this is the Fenty Beauty in Kilowatt, and she's using, well, my accent came out so hard. She's using the color Fire Crystal. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay, do you need more?
Yes. I barely even put any in this.
You can also use your finger, I don't mind.
Up. I think that's good.
Yeah, do you want to add any more eyeshadow?
No, I don't think so. I might want to add a little bit.
So what were the two colors that you used?
So I used Smog and Stray Dog.
Smog and Stray Dog, okay.
And now I'm gonna kind of get some of this in
Okay.
and just put a little light coat on top. Yes, I'm done.
You're done?
With
Okay, so now what are we doing?
blush.
Blush?
Yes.
Okay, do you need eyeliner or anything like that, or no? You just want to put a,
I think I might
blush
need
first?
eyeliner, but
Blush
I'm
first?
bad at it.
You can use pencil. That'll maybe help you more accuracy.
Okay.
I don't know when it stopped recording, to be honest, but
So Abby, I baked your face. Do I need to like blend it in or something for that?
you can in a second. Okay, so real quick, I don't really know where we left off, but she did my eyeshadow, and this is the long. Oh, nutty. And so she used, what were the colors, Natch?
Sin, Smog, and Stray Dog.
Sin, Smog, and Stray Dog. Right, okay. So now we're moving on to blush. All right, there's this one, or there's this one, or you could use this little bronzy one. Which one do you want? So these are her three choices.
I'll use that one.
Okay. You want any of the other ones? Okay.
I'm not close.
Okay. Is that the blush brush? Okay, what's the blush brush you're gonna use? Let's use this one, because I have to use these brushes tomorrow and I'm not about to wash them. This is the blush brush. Okay?
I wasn't very sure.
Okay, so we're gonna use which one, Nati? It's Milani,
Milani,
and it's called what?
Rose d'Oro.
Rose d'Oro. Okay, ready? Okay. Yeah, that's right. You're doing it right. Oh, I hate wearing the blush.
Okay, I think I'm done with that
Okay.
side. It doesn't really show any blush though.
It's probably because of the light. See, you can always pack on more. Okay.
That one
Got
shows,
enough?
yeah, that shows.
It's because that's where the light's hitting,
Yeah.
okay? And this one's in the shadow. Okay. And then, what do you want to do now?
I'll take off the powder.
Okay, so we're gonna use this one.
Ooh.
Ready?
Like you do it take off everywhere?
Mm-hmm. I can't want that with powder on my face. And you just kind of blend it out a little bit so it stays kind
Yeah, blend it out.
Okay. So now what?
Now I'm gonna do eyebrows.
Eyebrows? Okay, so this is usually the eyebrow thing that I use. Okay, this is the eyebrow one that you're gonna use.
Okay. So this side is.
You dip that side. You use this to brush the eyebrow.
Oh, okay.
Been like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to. Been like this before. Yeah, but this is different.
Oh!
Abby, I messed up.
I'm sorry, I couldn't. Okay, now where's the pizza? Oh, here. Okay, so now what do you want to do?
Mascara.
Mascara. Oh, we also have to do highlighter still.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna yawn.
We fight and beg and greed and then we go and act like something.
Look good? Alright. You want to put any on the bottom or no? Okay. And then do you want lipstick or highlighter?
Highlighter and lipstick.
Highlighter. This is my highlighter brush. Which one do you want to use?
That.
So she pointed at the lightning dust. Go ahead and use it.
Right here.
Yeah, it goes at the tops of your cheeks right here. You can put a little bit on the nose, a little bit here. Just wipe it up like you would blush.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah? You see it in the light?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't really know how to do with this one. Okay, I'm gonna put some on.
All good? You put it like on the bridge like that. Now do you want to add more blush or does it look good?
Looks good.
Okay. Now lipsticks, I only brought 3 lipsticks. So which one do you want to use?
Can I see this one?
Yeah, that's probably the best choice. Oh, I actually have this one too.
Which one's that?
This is like a brown color. And this one's like a more pink nude. This is more of a brown nude.
The brown one.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. Show them what you're using.
So I'm using a MAC lipstick.
And read the bottom color. It says it on the bottom.
It is Laurel.
Okay. Ready? No, I just looked at my lips. That's weird.
I know, I didn't
Okay.
know it. Okay, go.
Good?
Yes.
Okay. So we're done?
Yeah, I think.
Wow. Okay, can I see myself? Okay. Oh, not. Oh, my babe. What a beauty guru. What a beauty guru. This was Nathy's first, what is it called? Her first time, yeah, her first makeup tutorial. And I will be leaving to Dallas tomorrow for about, I think, another month until they're able to go back up and visit me. So it's our last night together.
No.
But I love you and I want to wish you a happy birthday. So if you liked this video, what should they do, Nathy?
Subscribe.
Yeah, where's the subscribe button? You can just point anywhere and I'll put it there. Where's the subscribe button?
Right there.
Right on your face? Put it like where it's not on your face. I want to cover your face up.
Right there.
Right there? All right, and then what else should they do?
Like this video.
Oh, they like it, and what else? The little bell.
Yeah, turn on the bell notification.
Yeah, and then they can comment down below, right?
Yes.
All right, so.
Wait, comment down below what?
I don't know, you tell them what they comment down below. What should they comment down below?
Comment down below if you liked it or not.
Oh.
Because I know they didn't.
Yeah, they did, babe. You did so good.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. All right, ready?